Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new video guide for LALAL.AI. Splitting songs apart into individual musical instruments is a very difficult task. Piano track isolation is not exception. However, with the innovative stem separation technology of LALAL.AI, you can easily isolate the piano from a song and also remove the piano, leaving all the other instruments in the track intact. In this video guide, I will show you how you can single-handedly do both in a few simple steps. First of all, open LALAL.AI in your browser. Then, click Vocal and Instrumental button to open the stem separation types list. Select the piano option in the drop-down menu. Now, select File. Wait till the processing is completed. Now, you can play the previews of two stems, one containing the piano track, the other with the rest of the music. If you like what you hear, click Process the entire file button. After that, you can download the results. Your files will be saved in the same format and quality as the original track. Thank you for using LALAL.AI. Have a good day!